Being an investor on the Invoice Exchange, I'm excited about this new opportunity to get involved in extending finance to small and medium-sized companies. I also believe that comparing risks and returns, this is a great investment opportunity.
The Invoice Exchange has been developed based on best industry practice from financial instrument trading, factoring and fintech. It is a result of our own development and offers real-time auction-based trading system with integrated credit rating information.
The Invoice Exchange is all about making it easier for small and medium-sized enterprises or SMEs to obtain financing. Consider one of the main problems that young entrepreneurs and small companies are facing. They have just landed a new project, a new order from their client, and it takes time for them to produce the goods or deliver the services, and once they do that, it usually takes about 30 to 60 or sometimes even up to 90 or 120 days for their client to pay. In the meantime, the company has to finance their payroll, their rent, pay off their suppliers, and this puts pressure on their liquidity. What we have created is an easy-to-use online trading platform that companies can use to sell their outstanding B2B invoices to financial investors at the best available market rates. The Invoice Exchange is the first organized marketplace for trading B2B invoices. Companies can use it to simply post their invoices online and sell them in a secure auction to financial investors. We take care of all the settlement and administration proceeds and will pay out the funds to your company in just 24 hours following a successful auction. We launched the Invoice Exchange trading platform in Slovenia in November 2015. Until the end of February, we already had 160 registered companies and have sold over 3 million worth of invoices.
The nice thing about the Invoice Exchange for financial investors is that it allows them access to a diversified corporate debt portfolio which wasn't accessible to them before. And it gives them very attractive annual rates of return between 10 and 15%.
Our Invoice Exchange is super easy to use. Posting an invoice takes less than a minute. We instantly provide feedback, and what's most important, most invoices are sold within one trading day.
Investing in receivables used to be available to only select few companies in the factoring industry. Now the Invoice Exchange enables us to invest in a completely new asset class with good returns, and what's most important, we can help the Slovenian economy.
The campaign on Conda will allow our company to expand operations and further boost our marketing effort. I would like to invite you to participate in the campaign and help us reshape the financial services industry.